In today's video, I will show you a proven method how to make $100 a day on YouTube without showing your face. If you follow this strategy, you could make over $100 a day on YouTube. Imagine this. You wake up, grab a coffee, check your phone, and there it is. $108.45 earned overnight from a channel that doesn't even show your face. No vlogging. No fancy studio. Just smart strategy, automation, and content that works. This isn't hype. It's real. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a faceless YouTube channel that earns you $100 per day or more, even if you're camera shy, on a budget, or just getting started. Before we dive in, do me this one favor. If advertisements should interrupt this video, please do not click off of the advertisements. Please allow them to play through as a thank you to me for sharing with you this valuable information. Let's start with the truth. YouTube is an income engine, not just a platform. You don't need to be famous, funny, or flashy. What you do need is a proven content strategy, a scalable system, and consistent execution. Because YouTube is a search engine, not just a social platform. When you position your content correctly, it becomes a passive income asset, searchable forever, monetized forever. Let's break down exactly how to build that. Step 1. Choose a profitable, faceless niche. Not all niches are created equal, especially when you're not showing your face. You need niches where the content is the hero, not the creator. Here are 7 high-paying faceless niches. Niche and why it works. Top 10 facts. Why does it work? High views, easy scripts, global topics. Motivation. Why does it work? Evergreen plus ad-friendly plus high CPM. Finance and investing. Why does it work? High CPM up to $30 plus. Low competition. Health and wellness. Why does it work? Huge market, repeat viewers. Luxury and wealth. Why does it work? Attracts high-paying ads. AI and tech reviews. Why does it work? Trending plus affiliate income. Relaxation sounds. Why does it work? Passive, long watch times. The secret? Choose a topic that solves a problem or satisfies curiosity. Those 2 things are what drive clicks. Step 2. Build the machine without showing your face. Let's build a channel like a business. Here's what you need. No camera required. 1. Scriptwriter or use ChatGPT. Use ChatGPT like this one to write list-style videos, top 10, did you know? Motivational speeches. AI-generated news stories. You can prompt, write a YouTube script on 5 richest people who lost it all in a top 5 format, around 800 words, with dramatic tone. 2. Voiceover, optional. Use text-to-speech, like 11 Labs, Muff.ai, or Speechify. Or hire a voiceover artist on Fiverr or Upwork. Or use your own voice, but stay anonymous. 3. Video editing, 0 face needed. Use stock footage from sites like Pexels, Pixabay, Storyblocks. Or use B-roll from Canva or CapCut templates. Edit in CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or InVideo. 4. Thumbnails, high click-through rate. Use Canva or Photoshop. Use bold text plus strong contrast. Thumbnail matters more than your face ever would. Pro tip: don't overthink perfection. Focus on speed, storytelling, and value delivery. Step 3. Monetize in multiple ways, not just AdSense. To make $100 a day, you'll want multiple income streams from your videos. 1. YouTube AdSense. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize through ads. CPM in faceless niches like finance runs $10 to $30 plus. One video that gets 100,000 views could earn $500 to $2,000 plus. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products relevant to your content. Finance channel? Recommend apps like Webble or Acorns. Tech review? Link to gear on Amazon. Health channel? Promote supplements. Put links in your video description, pin them in the comments, and mention them in the video. 3. Digital products. Create simple digital downloads. Journals, planners, Etsy. Checklists, PDFs. AI prompt guides, templates. Link to them from your video. You can sell via Gumroad or Payhip. 4. Sponsorships. Once you have 5K plus subscribers and engagement, brands in your niche will pay you for 30-second shoutouts. Product placements. Affiliate deals with guaranteed payouts. Step 4. The numbers. How you actually get to $100 a day. Let's get real. Here's how it breaks down. Example 1. 1 video per day model. Each video gets 5,000 views. Average CPM equals $12. Daily income equals $60 AdSense, plus $40 affiliate and digital sales. Total equals $100 a day. Example 2. Evergreen library model. You upload 3 videos per week. In 90 days, you have 40-50 videos. Each one earns $2 to $5 a day, compound. 25 videos x $4 equals $100 a day, even if you stop uploading. This is how faceless channels grow. You're stacking assets, not just views. Step 5. Tools, templates, and automation to save time. Let's speed things up. Tools you'll need. For scripting, use ChatGPT/Jasper.ai. Voiceover. Use 11 Labs/MUF. Video editing. Use CapCut/DaVinci/InVideo. Thumbnails. Use Canva/Photopea. Stock footage. Use Pexels/Storyblocks. Scheduling. Use YouTube Studio/vidIQ. Keyword research. Use TubeBuddy/vidIQ. Outsourcing to scale. Hire a scriptwriter, $5 to $15 per video. Hire a video editor, $10 to $25 per video. Hire a thumbnail designer, $5 per video. You can build a full team under $50 per video, and a good video can return that tenfold. Final thought. Your face isn't required, but your strategy is. Here's the powerful truth. You don't need to be a YouTube star, you need to be a YouTube strategist. Millions of creators are building cash-flowing channels quietly, anonymously, and consistently. Not because they're flashy, but because they treat YouTube like a business. So if you've ever told yourself, I could never do YouTube, just remember, you don't need to be on camera. You don't need expensive gear. You just need a repeatable system. Start messy. Stay consistent. Optimize as you go. And one day, $100 per day will be your floor, not your ceiling. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have received value from this video, please smash the thumbs up button to give us a like. Want to add a comment? Please do so in the comment section below the video. Until next time, please be safe and may God bless your efforts.